one thing that we have to talk about, it's gonna be a little bit tricky. You're gonna have to turn, if you plan to have both lashes and esthetician services, you will have to change a little bit your account into using the way Cosmina uses her account, meaning more attached to your name as a personal brand. Because if you have this one, it's good for esthetician services. But then if you add lashes as services, but the account, it's all optimized for esthetician services, it's a little confusing. Like people won't be able to, I mean, they'll be able to, once they get to the account, the first thing that somebody does, like you need 2 to 3 seconds to either win or lose a client when they online, especially on Instagram.
You're listening to the Time Lash Artist podcast. If you want to jumpstart your lash career, you can also watch Cosme's free lash training at www.fulltimelashartist.com. Let's grow.
So if your bio talks about esthetician services like facials and whatnot, the bio, we can even ask ChatGPT. I would change the username and the name into your personal name. And one quick tip, you have to forget about underscore, underlines, none of that. It affects in a bad way the SEO. SEO, it's search engine optimization.
Okay.
But if you switch it and you put your personal name, now any service that it's beauty related in the future that you decide to add, there's nothing wrong.
Okay, perfect. I will do that. You know what?
It's not necessarily that you have to do it now or tomorrow, but look at Cosmina's account, right? Like she does lashes, she does lash trainings, she has courses, podcasts. There's no problem if we add now a lash marketing class pretty soon. There's nothing. Even if she decides eventually to do Botox, let's say, it's still or eyebrows. It's still Cosmina, right? The account name, it's her name. Now, if she decides to sell real estate, she would have to change. It's a whole different industry.
Yeah.
So she would have to change. But you see what I mean? As long as you stay under the umbrella of beauty, you have to rebrand it, and it's the best to do it now when the account is small.
Yes.
Why? Because you might realize, let's say in a year, you really pop with the videos. If you're getting that amount of views with 100 followers, I guarantee you in 3 months, you'll get a lot of views because it means you're doing something right. I didn't really listen to all the videos that you created, but if you're getting that amount of views and you use no captions on the video, imagine talking in English and adding captions, you would triple, quadruple the amount of views at least. So what's going to happen is in a year, you might realize, oh, goddamn, I get a lot of views. You might start getting approached by brands to sponsor one of your videos, the products, or even like, let's say I sell, and this happens more on TikTok than on Instagram, but the same videos, you can post them on TikTok.
On TikTok,
There's nothing, you don't have to do anything else. YouTube Shorts. And YouTube Shorts, in my opinion, it beats both Instagram and TikTok because it's search. YouTube is owned by Google.
Yes.
And you can title the videos in a way that you can not trick, but you get people that search for these kind of topics. Your video might come up first. And then in Shorts, you get a really high chance to boom, like really exploding views, right? And then once you realize that happens, you can start reach out to other brands. Like, hey, whatever, give me some product. I mean, you told me Giselle has some machines that she paid like $50,000 for it, right? You know,
Laser.
Yeah, for laser. Or the products. Let's say you make a bundle of products that you actually use. You might find somebody in Afghanistan or China that you might put your name on the brand, on the products, and now you sell your own by just doing videos, right? If you realize that's what, but I like honestly think I don't see too many girls like with an account. How long you been doing?
3 months, but yeah, less than 3 months.
In 3 months,
Yeah.
and you're getting this amount of. This is huge. I don't know if you realize. That's
I didn't
it's a
realize
really.
that until now. Yes.
It's especially those like 500, 600.
Yeah.
Keep looking at those and keep making those kind of videos. Once you realize, oh, these are the ones that get a lot of views, you just keep making more of those.
Okay.
Because Instagram, it's like this.
Yes.
But if you make somebody stop and you only have 100 followers and you make 500 people watch it, I don't know, you probably don't realize that is a huge, huge accomplishment. I mean, if some people have tens of thousands of followers and some videos get 200-300 views. It's just the algorithm, they realize, the algorithm realize what your account is about. So it's a really happy scenario that you kind of found your niche already.
Okay.
Right? And then once you change it to your name, now the brands can really connect with you as the person, regardless if you decide, let's say 1 year, maybe you teach a class about how to do facials. Nothing wrong with that.
Marianne, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but the whole idea of this is because my sister is a nail technician, but we were waiting, to save money and put something together, because the idea is to be together, and she works with the nails and I'm gonna work in this scenario, right? So I should put always my name or come up with another name?
No, for what exactly?
For to include my sister, because she has the page and I am the person who's managing the page, because she doesn't like to put videos. So she sent me the pictures and I am posting the pictures on her page.
On her page.
Yes. But we want to do, I've been talking to her to do something together.
No, keep them separate. Nails is nails. Nails is nails. Facials are facials.
Okay.
And you and her are to mix the accounts. I would never do that.
Okay.
It's nothing wrong for you to, let's say you show up in one of her videos and she tags you, or she invites you as a collaborator in the video, and now the video shows up on both pages. I don't know if you know that feature. You can you can tag somebody, but you can also do a collaboration. So for example, let's say, and that's the best way to do it, because now the video can show up on both pages. She has to invite you, but if she posts only pictures, who's doing the videos for her page?
Me. This is the page.
Let me see.
I am, because she's not she doesn't like
Yeah, she's not comfortable on video.
Right. For example, this is the ones that are. That's the ones that I'm doing for her. And she's not paying me anything.
But so put it this way. One, these videos don't require her, because I know these are photos.
Yes.
Right? But tell her she doesn't have to be in the video if she doesn't feel comfortable with her face being in the video.
Mm-hmm.
But these could be created as a video, like an actual video, and her being in the background talking. Now, if she's not comfortable talking in English and she talks in Spanish, that's fine. She puts the caption in English.
Okay.
I can't remember. I don't know if I met her.
Yes.
I can't remember listening to her with how she talks English. Like, do you guys have a similar level of?
No.
Okay.
No,
But it's nothing wrong. We're all different human beings. There's nothing wrong. She doesn't feel comfortable on video. It's fine to a certain point. But no, you should not combine. She has the name Abigail Ortiz.
Yes.
And your page has the name of the business.
The beauty lane.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
it should completely be your. Now you can have. I don't know if she knows, but she can have Abigail. By the way, beautiful name.
Yeah.
It's really Abigail Ortiz, line nail technician,
Oh my.
because the name has a lot more power in search. If somebody's searching on Instagram for nail technician, if you put it in the bio only, it's so and so. But if you have it in the name, that's definitely gonna show up.
That's true.
If you got a passion for lashes, let me see it. It's time to level up. If you need me to, I'll teach you my 6-figure secret. Better believe it, cause I believe in you. You're listening to the Full-Time Lash Artist Podcast. If you want to jumpstart your lash career, you can also watch Cosme's free lash training at www.fulltimelashartist.com. Let's grow.